our channel. This is the third day
Okay.
of Hong Kong. We are on a boat.
Please come over here.
I don't think we're allowed to talk. Okay.
Please take a seat now. Thank you. We will start our journey very soon. So don't
We're
worry about that,
starting
okay?
now. Let's just wait for it to start.
Okay, since you're ready, let's say goodbye to people on the dock. Bye bye. We will never see them again.
What?
Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, I'm your skipper. My name is Vincent. Hello everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you guys. Okay, before we start, there's something that you should be reminded. The first thing is that please take care of your children and your electric devices. Second, please sit properly and do not stand up. Okay, if no more questions, let's get started. Okay, now, look at your right hand side. Do you know who owns this house?
Great Britain.
On the boat and cover your face. So please be careful, okay? Don't get bite by them. Okay, now you see the elephant guard and his friend, the kangaroo. They are protecting the elephant guard, so don't try to challenge them, okay? Just leave them alone. Okay, now we have to be quiet. Because there are so many crocodiles are still sleeping. So don't try to wake them up. Otherwise, you will become their dinner. Let's move on to the next place. Okay, now we just arrived inside this campsite, but you see that? Why they become gorilla? Are they your friend? Your classmate? No. Yeah, fast start, but they're holding the gun. Please get down. Wow, shoot us. No way.
They have gun.
Okay. We're just safe now. We are in Africa Safari. Can you guys tell me what are these animals?
Zebra and giraffes.
Wow, excellent. You guys are genius. But these elephants are so wild.
What?
Okay, now
Hippopotamus.
we have to speed up. And now we are on the zone of the hippo. And the family, mother, sister, grandpa, and the brother on your right hand side. Brother on your left hand side. Wow. Okay. Finally, we are the Tarzan. Where they are.
What?
Yes. But they're surrounded by the rhino. Should we save them? What? You made the decision with the hesitation. There you are. I say bye bye. Okay, we just entered this village. It's a terrible village I've ever seen. They
Wow.
like collecting the skulls and the bones. Please be careful, okay? Oh no 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 no! They coming! Please get down, get down! No way! They're going to catch you guys! Wow! So dangerous. Okay. Did anyone get hurt?
What?
Where?
Ooh.
Really?
What?
Okay. Let's see. I will find a door for you.
What?
Okay. Please sit properly and do not stand out. Once we arrive at the dock, please use the middle door and the back door to leave. Do not try to climb my windows. Okay, let's move forward. We just got lost. Please find something to do.
Abandoned ship!
Thank you so much. Okay.
Abandoned ship.
Before we go back to dog, there's a baby album want to say goodbye to us.
Oh.
He missed us so much. So let's say goodbye to him, okay? Bye bye. After you wave your hand, please keep your arms and elbow inside the boat. And do not stand up, okay? Okay, sorry, your arms. Do not forget the crocodiles below. Okay, we can go back to dog, so don't worry about that, okay? So, just give me a few more seconds to stop my boat. In 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, my bonus job is time to say bye bye. Bye. Hope to see you again. Bye bye. Oh, don't climb my window. You become gorilla. You want to eat banana forever? Bye bye. Thank you.
Hi. Oh, bye bye.